Hello everyone, my name is Sydney and I will be doing another origami lesson for you. Today I will be showing you how to make a heart like this. I also have a larger version like this that you can look at. Since Mother's Day is coming up, I thought it would be a good activity to do. So the first thing you'll need is a sheet of paper. I drew a pattern on mine because I thought it would look pretty. But you can use any sheet of paper you'd like. If you even want to go that route, you could use a sticky note. The only thing it has to be is a square. And to make that happen, I will be showing you how to change a rectangle into a square if you'd like to use just plain old printer paper. So, if you like, for this part you may need scissors, but they aren't necessary. You could just tear it. I'll get to that in a second. Okay, so you're going to take this bottom corner and pull it up to meet this top edge, just like this, making this corner over here turn into a point. Lining it up as best you can, because as always, the closer you are, the nicer it'll look. Then you just crease along right here, and then you're going to have this rectangle where you can still see the pattern, and this is what you're going to need to cut off in order to make the square. To make it easier, you can flip over your paper and pull it up to make it even with your triangle and create a crease to follow along with. If you're going to tear your paper, I highly recommend making a crease because it'll make it a lot easier. And then you could also go back the other way, just to make it a really good crease. And then you just take your scissors, or if you like, tear it, and just take that right off. And then when you open it, you'll have a square. I could clean up this edge a little bit if you'd like. Okay. So, to make a heart, you're first going to need to take your paper and turn it so you have your corners on either side and it looks like a diamond. If you put a pattern on it, you're going to want to flip your paper over so the side facing you is blank. And the first step is you're going to take your bottom corner and match it up to your top corner, all the way across so you have a triangle. Just like that. The important thing here is that you have a cross in the middle to help guide you when you make folds. So if you decided to use a sticky note or something that is already a square, make sure you do that on either side to make sure you have a cross in the middle. So, you're going to take your top corner, this one up here, and you're going to pull it down to meet your center dot, where the lines cross each other. Right there, just like that. And then you're going to take your bottom corner, this one down here, and pull it up so it meets this top edge, this one here. You're going to pull it all the way up, like this. You can use your crease right here to act as a guide to where your point should be, this corner. So then, you're going to take the right side of your paper on the right side of the crease, and you're going to take this edge, right here, you're going to pull it up so it lines up with your center crease, just like this. You're going to do the same on your left. You're going to take this bottom part and pull it up so it lines up with your center crease. And you can see where we're starting to get the shape of a heart. And then you're going to want to flip your paper over and take these sharp corners and pull them in to make the rounded edge of your heart. So you're going to take this one in, and then you're going to do it on the opposite side, just like this. And then you're going to take these two top corners and do the same thing. And just pull them down. And then when you flip it over, you have a very pretty heart. If you would like to give it to someone on Mother's Day or for some other reason, you're more than welcome to write on them. For example, I'm going to write, "For Mom," on mine, and "Happy Mother's Day." A fun fact for you: Japanese samurai used to give each other folded fish for good luck. Just like that. So, for whatever the reason, I hope you enjoyed making a heart. I hope you have a happy Mother's Day, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!